Look at the way you write it. A big 32 and a tiny 3/5 here. Don't write it this way. This one is 32 on number 3/5, and that's not it. That's what it is. Do you understand? So let's go. 32 raised by 3/5. This one is equal to, look up. 32 raised by 3/5 is equal to what? Fifth root. Put the root sign. Fifth root of 32 raised by what? Raised by 3. Exactly. Good. Now what this means is you find the fifth root of 32. How do you find the fifth root of 32? You do this. 32. It's just like the way you find square root, but this one is fifth root. So you start dividing by the smallest prime number ever, which is 2. 2 in 32, 16. 2 can still go 8. 2 can still go 4. 2 can still go 2. 2 can still go 1. If 2 will not go anymore, you go to the next prime number. What's the next prime number after 2? After 2?
3.
After 3?
4.
5.
5.
After 5?
7.
So fifth. So you count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You pick one. So that's the answer. What's the fifth root of 32? 2. Exactly. Fifth root of 32 is equal to 2. Do you understand? So that means 2 raised by what? 3. 2 raised by what? 2. The fifth root of 32 is 2. And you are supposed to raise that to find the third power of that. So that's 2 raised by 3. Which is what? What's 2 raised by 3?
2 raised by 3. 860.
2 raised by 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. Which is what?
8.
8. Why is it taking you time to get that? That's 8 then. Right. 243. 3 in 24. 8 in 3 1. 3 in 81. 3 in 8 2. Remaining 2. 3 in 21 7. 3 in 27 9. 3 in 9 3. 3 in 3 1. 1 2 3 4 5. So the fifth root is 3. Exactly. So 243. You can even use 2 lines. Raised to power 2 over 5. Equal to what? The fifth root of what? 243. Raised to power what? Raised to power 2. Beautiful. And what does that mean?
2 raised to power 2. 2
Jari.
So
Yes, beautiful. Fifth root of 3 raised to power 2, right? And that's what?
And that's 6.
No. 3 raised to power 2 is not 3 times 3, it is 3 times 3, 9. Now what's the next one? Did I correct it in your homework?
Yes.
The one we just did now. Yeah, I did. Now let's go.
Number 2A.
2A. Is that 2A?
Yeah.
What's the question?
2x.
Let's go. 2, is it 2x or 2 raised to power x?
2 raised by x
2 raised to power x,
is equals to.
is equal to, or you can say equals, 2 raised to power x equals
2 raised by x equals 0.125.
0.125. Now look at it. This one is the power of 2. You find a way to write this one to the power of 2. Do you understand? That means 2 raised to power 0.125 is the same as what? Right, what's this as a fraction? What's 0.125 as a fraction?
125 over 1,000.
Beautiful. 125. That's 125,000. You there? And that means what? You can call 5 here 25. 5 in 10, 2. 5 in 0, 0. 5 in 0, 0. 5 here 5. 5 in 20, 4. 5 in 0, 0. 5 here 1. 5 here 8. Do you understand? So that's 1 over 8. You understand? You copy this side. So what does that mean? That means what? 2 raised to power x equals 1 over 8. Are you there? You don't have to cut many times, just cancel ones. Now stop writing. Stop writing and look on. No. Okay. Now, what does this mean? You want to write 8 as 1 over 8 as a power of 2. So this simply means 2 raised to the power x equals 1 over 2 raised to the power 3. Do you understand? And that means what? 2 raised to the power. If I want to write this one in index form, what would it be?
X is equal to
1 over 2 raised to the power 3.
index form. Okay, index form. 2 times 2 times.
There will be no fraction. Have you forgotten the rule that says a raised to the power minus x is 1 over a raised to the power x? That means 1 over a raised by x is also raised by minus x. So 2 raised by 1 over 2 raised by 3 is 2 raised by minus 3. Because if I want to write 2 raised by minus 3 as a fraction, it will become 1 over 2 raised to power 3, which is this. Do you understand? Good. So what does that mean? What does that mean? 2 raised by x equals 2 raised by minus 3. X is equal to what?
Therefore, x equals to minus 2.
Minus 3.
X is equals to 2.
That's all. No, x equals minus 3. It's not minus x, so you don't have to multiply through by minus 1. So 243. 3 raised by minus x equals 243. 243, we checked it, is 3 raised by 5. So that means 3 raised by minus x equals what? 3 raised by 5. Do you understand?
Yes.
So what does that mean? The bases are the same. That means what? Minus x equals what?
5.
Beautiful, equals 5. And what do we do to get x? Multiply through by minus 1. Minus 1 times minus x, that's x. Minus 1 times 5, minus 5. Is that 5 or minus 5?
Minus 5.
Good. Right. Question C. 4 over 2 raised by x equals 64 raised by x. Do you understand? So that's 4 over 2 raised by x equals what?
64.
64. Is it just 64?
64 raised by x.
Raised by x. Now look up. You have to be careful. So what does that mean? You can do it this way.
Yes.
You can write everything as a power of 2. Do you understand?
Yes.
4 is what as a power of 2?
2 raised by 2.
Beautiful. Stop writing and look up. Over 2 raised to power x equals what? 64 as a power of 2.
64 raised by 2.
Do it. Work it out now.
4. 2 raised by 4.
2 raised to power
4.
No, 2 raised to power 6. Look at it, do it this way. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 6 times 2, 32, 32 times 2, 64. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 raised to power 6. And you know that 2 raised to power 6 raised to power x is the same as 2 raised to power 6 times x, 2 raised to power 6x. Do you understand?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Good. So what does that mean?
2 raised to power.
No. 2 raised to power 2 divided by 2 raised to power x is what?
X.
You forgot it.
Okay, 2 raised to power 2. 2.
Have you copied this?
Hmm?
Have you copied this?
Okay, I've copied this.
What is a raised to power x
A raised to power x.
times a raised to power y?
A raised to power x times a raised to power y will be a plus a.
Hold on, just hold on. Don't be in a hurry. A raised to power x times a raised to power y is equal to what?
X plus y.
A raised to power x plus
A
y.
raised to power x plus y.
Say that.
A raised to power x plus y.
Beautiful. What is a raised to power x divided by a raised to power y?
A raised to power x divided by
It's in your whole first note. A raised by x. This is division. You wrote plus instead of division. A raised to power x, a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. A raised to power n minus n. But here I'm using x.
X minus y.
A raised to power x
Minus y.
1. Simple. So 2 raised to power 2 divided by 2 raised to power x is what?
2 raised to power 2 divided by 2 raised to power x is 2x. 2 raised to power 2x. 2 minus x.
Say it again.
2 raised to power 2 minus x.
In math, if you want to get your math right, you must be very careful and don't be in a hurry. Equals 2 raised to power 6x. Do you understand? This one means 2 raised to power 2 minus x. And on the right hand side, you have 2 raised to power 6x. So what do you now say? The bases are the same. What does that mean?
UG is like.
Tell me what to write.
Therefore, 2 minus x is equals to 6x.
It's equal to 6x.
Is equal to 6.
Beautiful. And what do we do? We can take minus x to the right hand side. That means 2 equals 6x plus x. And that means 2 equals 7x. Divide through by 7 to get x. X equals what? Where do you see the real number?
X plus
7 cancels 7. X equals what? X equals what? It's not 7 over 2 now. Why are you saying 3
2 over 7.
Didn't you have breakfast?
I've had breakfast.
I've had breakfast. So why are you missing it? Then to it. Because
1 over 0.0.
10 raised to the power x equals 1 over 0.01, right?
Yes.
What does that mean? What is 0.01 in standard form?
Okay, 0.0 in standard form.
0.01 in standard form is
1.0
1.0
times
times
100. No, times
10 raised to the power
10
what?
raised to power minus 3. 2 minus.
Are you guessing?
No, I'm not getting.
Why did you say minus 3? 1, 2. The point is here now.
Minus.
So exactly. So that means 10 raised to the power x is equal to 1 over 10 raised to the power minus 2. Do you understand?
Yes.
Good.
X
10 raised to the power x
is equal
to or equals. You can't say it's equals. You either say 10 raised to the power x equals or 10 raised to the power x is equal to.
10 raised to the power x equal. 10
is
raised to the power
equal to.
is equal to.
Beautiful. 10 raised to the power x equals what?
10
Now what do you
raised
do?
to the power
No.
minus 2.
If I want this one to be in index form, what will it be?
Index form.
Look at this. Look at this. You don't always fall for the simple matrix. 1 over a raised to the power x is the same as what? A raised to the power minus x. Do you know? So if it is 1 over a raised to the power minus x, if you want to write it in index form, look at that. If you want to remove the fraction, there will be a minus. And this one already has a minus. Exactly. This power is already negative. So you're going to say a raised to the power minus into bracket minus x. You know that this one is already a negative power. So when you want to write this fraction in index form, get rid of the fraction or clear the fraction, what do? You must put the minus that will be there, that should be there normally, and the minus that's already here. Do you understand? So that will now make it what? A raised to the power minus and minus what? Plus. A raised to the power plus x. Do you understand? So 1 over 10 raised to the power 2 is 10 raised to the power minus 2. Do you know? But 1 over 10 raised to the power minus 2 will now be what? 10 raised to the power minus open bracket minus 2. Look, don't play with the duster. If the power already has a negative value, you must put the minus that should be there normally. And this means what? 10 raised to the power minus and minus is plus. Are you there?
Yes.
And that's 10 raised to the power 2. Do you understand? Are you sure? 10 raised to the power x equals what?
10 raised to the power x equals 10
10 raised to the power
two.
minus into bracket minus 2. Exactly, which is what? 10 raised to the power 2.
X.
So that means 10 raised to the power x equals 10 raised to the power 2. And that therefore means
Therefore, x equals 2.
x equals 2. Beautiful. Factorization. Right. If I write this, x plus 1. No. Before I don't write it. If you know that 12, what are the, give me 2 factors of 12.
12.
2 factors of 12.
3 and 4.
Beautiful. 3 and 4. Factors are the things you multiply together to get
2.
a product. Exactly. So if you divide 12 by 3, there will be no remainder because it is a factor of 12. And if you divide 12 by 4, there will be no remainder because it's a factor of 12. Do you understand? You can also multiply algebraic terms, exactly, to get products. If, for example, x plus 1 is an algebraic factor, you understand? It's a linear one at that. This is a factor, a linear factor, because the x is x power 1. Exactly. X plus 1 is a linear factor, and x minus 2 is also a linear factor. You can see that the x is power 1. Do you understand? Now, if you multiply the 2, x plus 1 times x minus 2, what do you have when you do that?
X bracket.
Beautiful.
X minus 2.
Fantastic.
Plus 1.
Beautiful.
Close bracket.
Open bracket.
Open bracket. X minus 2.
Beautiful.
Close bracket.
Beautiful. So let's go. Let's finish it.
X square.
X square
Minus 2x.
minus 2x, yes.
Plus 1x.
Plus 1x is the same as x. Exactly.
Minus 2.
Fantastic. So what does that mean?
Equals to x square and plus x.
minus 2x plus x.
Okay, minus 2x plus x.
Yes.
That's x minus x.
You are guessing. Let me show you. Look at that. Look at that. Minus 2x plus x. Whenever they write the negative before the positive, you rearrange and write the positive first. That will be x minus 2x. Now you ask yourself, can you remove 2x from x, from 1x? No. That means your answer will be negative. And you say 2x minus x. 1x. That will be minus 1x. So if I say, look at that, 4 minus 20. You have to know. If I say minus 20 plus 4, you rewrite it. Write the positive first. 4 plus 4 minus 20. 4 is the same as plus 4. Plus 4 minus 20. Then
But
you ask
this
yourself.
minus 20 plus 4, it always be 2 to 4.
And that's what I'm saying. You should always rearrange it. If you rearrange it, it will be tricky. You understand? If they write minus 20 plus 4, where they wrote the negative before the positive, you rearrange it as plus 4 minus 20 in a jota. Now you see that, oh, can I remove 20 from 4? No, that means the answer must be negative. You now say 20 minus 4, and the answer will be minus 16. How would you do minus 80 plus 40?
Minus 80.
Rearrange first.
Minus 40.
Rearrange first.
Okay, 40
plus 40 minus 80.
80.
Do that in your jota, and that's what?
Minus 40.
Minus 40. So if I say minus 80y plus 40y, it will be plus 40y minus 80y, which is minus 40y. Do you understand?
Yes,
You sure about that?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. So that's look at that. So minus 2x plus x is minus x minus 2. Minus x minus 2. And that's the answer. Now look at that. Look at that. This one, this is called a product. Exactly.
Yes.
While x plus 2, exactly, times x plus 1 and x minus 2 are called factors. Do you understand?
Yes.
Beautiful. So you say that. So write this. X plus 1 and x plus 1 and x minus 2 are the factors of what? X plus 1 and x minus 2 are factors of what? Of x squared minus x minus 2. Do you understand? Do you understand? So whenever you look at that, whenever you find the factors of a product, what you are doing is factorization. The factors of a polynomial, whether quadratic of degree 2, degree 3, or anything at all, whenever you find the factors of anything, what you are doing is factorization. Exactly. This one is called a product. If it has a power 2, it's a quadratic, expression. So whenever you find the factors of a product or the factors of a polynomial, what you are doing is factorization.
Like now, we want to factorize this one.
That's what we're going to learn now. That's what we are learning now. So write this down. Good. So whenever you find the factors of a product, what you are doing is factorization. Exactly. So let's write factorization. Factorization, right? Is a process of obtaining the factors of a product. Exactly. So when you're trying to obtain the factor of a product, that thing you are splitting into factors is a product. Just as 12, the factor of 12 are 3 and 4. 12 is a product and 3 and 4 are the factors. Exactly. Are you reading that?
Yes.
Take examples. Factorize 1, we're doing the first one, x squared minus x minus 2. X squared plus 6x plus 4. Yeah, take it. Yeah, take it. What does that mean? Find the factors of. Exactly. What's the highest power of x here?
X squared.
The highest power of x2. This is x raised to power 2, this is x raised to power 1. Highest power of x in this expression is 2. Here it is 2. So it will have 2 factors. If the highest power of x is 3, it will have 3 factors. Do you understand? If it's 4, it will have 4 factors. So what's that? Factorize x squared minus x minus 2, x squared minus 4x minus 21, x squared plus 6x plus 5. You know this one is what we just did. So we should get x plus 1 and x minus 2 as the factors, because those were the factors we multiplied to get it. Do you understand?
Yes.
So let's go to the solution. Figure 1 is what? X squared, you're not talking.
X squared minus x minus 2.
What you do is, you know, this x squared is same as 1x squared, do you know?
Yes.
This is same as minus 1x. This one that doesn't have any x attached to it is a constant. Do you understand? This is a constant. So what you do is multiply the constant, which is minus 2, by the term with the square. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
That's 1x squared. You multiply that by 1x squared. So what do you get when you do that? Minus 2 times 1x squared is what?
X minus 2.
Minus 2 times 1x squared. It's minus 2 times 1, minus 2 times x squared, minus 2x squared. You have to listen here. Do you understand? Do you understand? Minus 2x squared. Now, what are the two factors? What are the factors of minus 2x squared whose sum is minus x? When you multiply them, you must get minus 2x squared. And when you add, you must get minus x. What are those factors? This is what you do together. Just do this. Think of the two things you can multiply together to get minus 2.
Yes.
No, minus 2
X
squared. You know that is, you can say it is plus 1x times minus 2x. You know, it will give you minus 2x squared. But when you add 1x minus 2x, will it give you minus x? No.
When we add,
You're not paying attention. When I multiply, I'll get minus 2x squared. When I add 1x plus minus 2x, that's 1x minus 2x. 1x plus minus 2x, that's 1x minus 2x. What would that give you? Can you subtract 2 from 2x from 1x? So the answer will be negative, and you say 2x minus 1x. So the answer is minus x. So that's it. Those are the factors. So the factors are plus 1x. I can just write it as plus x. Exactly. And minus 2x.
This 1x, that raised to power 2 is not there.
Wait. When you multiply the constant by the first term, you will get minus 2x squared.
Yes.
You now think of two things. That when you multiply together, you get this minus 2x squared. And when you add, you get minus x. What are those factors? That's 1x down,
Okay,
and minus 2x.
Minus 2x down.
1x times minus 2x. 1x is same as x. You can
Yes.
just say x times minus 2x. That will give you what? Minus 2x squared. And when you add x plus minus 2x,
X plus.
that's the same as saying x
X
minus
plus
2x, which is minus x. It will give you minus x. So those are the factors you need. Instead of writing minus x, you now write plus x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to what? X squared. Instead of writing minus x, I'll write plus x minus 2x minus 2. And that means x into bracket x plus 1 minus 2 into bracket x plus 1. Look at that. See it again on the board so you can understand. You understand? So you pick these two that are the same, put them together. Exactly. And pick one of these. Do you understand?
How do you get that minus 2?
Minus 2x and minus 2.
Okay.
What's common to minus 2x and minus 2? Minus 2 is common now. Exactly. So when you say minus 2 is common, you now say minus 2x divided by minus 2 minus 2 divided by minus 2. Exactly. That would be minus 2 into bracket. Minus 2 divided by minus 2 is 1. X minus divided by minus is plus. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1. X plus 1. Do you understand?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Beautiful. We got the factors were what? X minus 2 and X plus 1. That's correct. So let's go to Omar figure 2. Copy. Okay, you already have it. What's Omar figure 2?
Omar figure 2. 2x squared minus 4x.
Open your eye. X squared minus 4x. Read it from your note.
Minus 24.
X squared minus 4x plus 21. Now look at that. X squared minus 4x minus 21. Look at that. X squared
Minus 4x.
minus 21. What do? We find the factors. Look at that. We find the factors again. Look at that. Minus 21 times x squared. What does that give you? Minus 21 x squared. Now, what are the factors of minus 21 x squared? Whose sum is minus 4x? When we add, we'll get, hold on. When we add, we'll get minus 21 x squared. When we multiply, we'll get minus 21 x squared. When we add, we'll get minus 4x. Do you understand? What are those things? This is what you do to get it. Just say minus 21 x squared. Think of all the things you can multiply together to get minus 21 x squared. Is this plus 7 and plus 3? Plus 7 and minus 3. Exactly. You can say plus 7x times minus 3x. It will give you minus 21x squared. But when you add, will it give you minus 4x? 7x minus 3x is 4x, not minus 3x. So you go again to the next one. Minus 3. No. Now you try minus 7 times plus minus 7x. Are you there? Times plus 3x. Exactly. Minus 7x times minus 7 times plus 3 minus 21. X times x squared. Now when we add, are we going to get minus 4x? Minus 7x plus 3x. The same as what?
Minus
plus 3x minus 7x, which is what?
4x minus 4x.
You have to be careful.
Minus 4x, yes.
So that means the factors are what? Minus 7x and plus 3x.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. Now let's go. So what does that mean? Instead of writing minus 4x, you write minus 7x plus 3x. So that means x squared. Instead of minus 4x, you write, no. Let me write the question first. That means x squared minus 4x minus 21 is equal to what? X squared minus 7x plus 3x minus 21. Do you understand?
Yes.
And that's equal to what? Are you tired? Are you tired? Now let's go. We'll stop after this. I'll give you a homework. Let's go. What does that mean? X into brackets x minus 7 plus 3 into brackets x minus 21 divided by plus 3 is minus 7.
Minus 7.
And you put the terms outside together.
X plus 2.
And pick one of those at least. Do you understand? Copy that quickly. Very, very, very quickly and beautifully. X squared plus 6x plus 5. Look up. Look up. Look at that. Plus 5 times x squared. What does that give us? Plus 5
Times
x squared. That's
5
it.
plus 5x.
And the same as 5x squared. So what do we multiply to get 5x squared and add to get 6x?
1 and 5.
1 and 5. So that's 1x, which is x, and exactly
5x.
plus x plus 5x. If I don't write plus, it's the same as plus, exactly.
Yes.
So instead of writing 6x, you write x plus 5x. Stop writing x squared. Stop writing plus 6x plus 5 is equal to x squared. Instead of writing 6x, you write x plus 5. Not x squared, x plus 5x. Do you understand? So what happens? You can factorize them.
Yes.
Let's go.
X
Into bracket x plus 1 plus 5 into bracket x plus 1. And that means what?
X plus 5 into bracket x plus 1.
Simple. So write that. figure was 3. 1 x squared minus 4x plus 3. Formula figure 2 x squared plus 8x plus 15.
I do not.
Formula figure 4. Let's go. (20x squared plus 28x minus 3). Can you say the 3? 3 plus 4x minus 4x squared.